Welcome to I Want Paella channel. My name is Jay and today we're cooking the duck paella. The ingredients for the duck paella are duck breast, foie, Paella rice, onion and garlic, and chicken stock, 3 varieties of mushroom, and the rest of the Spanish ingredients such as paprika, saffron, and paella mix. So, let's start cooking this delicious duck paella. Okay guys, first things first, we're gonna start by cooking the duck breast with the fat down. So we're not gonna add any oil to this recipe. Okay, let's start. Let's put it on top like that. And we're gonna let it melt for a bit. And we need to melt. Oh, that fat, look at that. What I'm gonna do is, once it's finished, on the other side, I'm going to cut it up in little pieces. And in the meantime, I'm gonna leave the foie cooking. So by the time I finish cutting, the foie will be ready as well. Okay guys, the duck breast seems to be ready by now, so I'm gonna take it out to a plate, and then I'm gonna put in the foie. Let's add our foie. All right, 1 and 2 on top is all right. And the other. Okay. So we're doing it like this because we want all the duck fat and part of the foie fat to melt into the pan. Now when we add the rest of the ingredients, then all of them are gonna take a bit of that flavor and add its own to the duck paella. Visit our store at iwantpaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. This paella is really nice paella if you want to make it for your family and friends. Okay, it's delicious, it's simple, and everyone will enjoy it. I make it for my friends every now and then, and they love it. And now let's add the onion and the garlic. Alright, let's mix that onion and garlic with the duck and the foie fat just for a bit. We want to add some of those flavors to the onion as well. If you were here and you could smell how good this smells, you'll already be starving to death. While the onion finished cooking, I'm gonna add our mushrooms. Alright, and as usual, when we add a new ingredient, we're gonna turn it around a bit. Ooh, that is looking great, guys. Delicious. Today we have chopped tomatoes. It's a good moment to add our paprika. As usual, half a teaspoon, it's enough. Alright. Okay, we're going to add an envelope of pure saffron available at a store iwantpaella.eu. Alright, pure saffron, guys. And also, we're gonna add a bit of our paella mix for extra flavor and color. Now, let's mix all that up. It's a good time to add our paella rice. As usual, we're adding 300 grams because we're making 3 portions. All right. And as usual, let's mix it up a bit. Let's add our chicken stock. Slowly, slowly. All right. We're gonna add 900 milliliters. And we're gonna leave a bit, 100 ml, in case we need it later. Okay, let's reorganize all this. All right. Okay. It's a good time to start returning the duck to the pan. Let's add the foie. Little pieces, bite size. Let's add a bit of salt. There you are, that's plenty. It's a good moment to turn over our duck breast. Okay guys, let's reduce that paella burner power down to 50%. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Alright guys, that rice is around 60%. So we're gonna have to leave it for a while, okay? Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Alright. Okay. That rice is around 75% at the moment. So I'm gonna reduce the paella power to 30% at the moment. So we're gonna leave the paella burner power in 30% until the paella finishes. At this point, I'm gonna add just a tiny little bit of our stock, chicken stock this time. Since we added a bit more stock, let's give it another shake. All right. Okay guys, let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay guys, our paella is almost done. That's around 80%, 85%. So I'm just gonna leave it for another minute simmering and then I'm gonna bring it to our kitchen. Okay, let's give it another shake. All right. I'm turning off our paella burner now, and let's bring it to our kitchen. Whoa! Okay guys, here we go, our duck paella. Doesn't that look fantastic? I'm gonna serve it on a plate now, so you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, let's serve this duck paella. Alright, a bit of everything. Duck, foie, mushrooms, rice. Alright. Okay. Look at that gorgeous plate of duck paella. Okay guys, this is all we have for you today. Don't forget that we have all the paella equipment, all the paella ingredients, Spanish wine, Spanish beer, wine coolers, a lot of cool stuff at our site, iwantpaella.eu. So pay us a visit. This is Jay signing off. See you soon.